Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader, known as Fijian Traders. This is Mr. Singh. Greene Concept, ticker symbol INKW, one of my long-time stock, and I'm excited with this company. I've been following this company for so long, for past 3 years, roller coaster ride, but it is coming to a beautiful breakout pattern. What does it mean, a breakout pattern coming in terms on the technical side, and why I'm going to say it is coming throughout my video. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We have a lot to cover. This is a year-to-date chart. You can clearly see that how the two moving average is about to collide each other, which is going to give us an indication of a breakout. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere yet. So let's go. I'm pumped with this company because Greene Concept short interest has declined, folks. What did I mean by that? Back in January, we were on positive 2,833% on shorts where the bears were taking over, but right now the bulls are taking over, which is a negative 52.6%, which is a phenomenal because now the bulls are taking over bears with the great news. Mr. Lenny has came on the 15th, which I'm going to share on the video as well. And what are the vision, the growth, the profitability of Greene Concepts looks like. Definitely you can see the short interest over and over from 2022. We were roughly around at about 2,000 right here, but now we are around about less than 200%. So this is very, very good news for the bulls because the short interest is dying, and you should be excited because I am excited as well, because it was a roller coaster ride with the short interest coming up with Greene Concept. And now we can clearly see the bulls are taking over. Well, the performance stays a little change on that 5-day. We did came up to the highs of 0.0033. We couldn't break it on the technical side. Why can't it break it? But in 1 month, we did have the negative of 10.118%. 3 months and year to date, definitely a positive over 30%, which is a great signal in terms of breakout. Well, the article that came, Mr. Greene, which I'm going to cover in this video, is Mr. Greene continues. Throughout the SPS, Greene Concept becomes an active community, over 12,000 active suppliers leverage on SPS EDI connection over Walmart each day. Our new EDI connection with ESP Commerce fast spaces where we need to be our finish to get our flagship of Einstein B water on Walmart shelves region by May 17. Well, we know this and that is less than 3 weeks away, and which is generates revenues, profitability, makes the company keep growing and has a vision, right? So the company cannot have a great vision, but the profitability is not there, they will not succeed. And this is a big step, another big step I rather say, for Mr. Greene to continue to do that. Well, kind of skimming through this article, Mr. Greene concludes that our entire team, Greene Concept, is excited about our new EDI partner who provides a data visibility, access, accuracy without manual entry at our end. SP Commerce not only specializes our electronic ordering system for Walmart, but also works to help to build a strategic long-term solution for the future of retail clients who desires the EDI solutions. Be creative in the marketing world. It helps to to promote your product and makes it easier. As a consumer, you always want what's convenient. You know, some customers like to spend an hour in the grocery store. Like me, I like less than 20 minutes. I'm in and out, get what I got, and it has to be very quick transaction. So EDS is going to help with that, with the electronic coming up, expedite the sales of it, and gives the accuracy of the how the sales is going on for the bee water. So I'm excited to see that summer is around the corner. We know when it's hot, people drink water, right? So the product, the demand is going to be there, and supply is always there for Mr. Greene. So this is a great 3 months is coming up for head, and we should embrace it because it's going to be a wonderful, a great ride for the stock. Yes, for the stock, and I'm going to cover on the article on the next one. So. This was given to by for the stakeholders. Everyone in the Mr. Team Greene would like to thank the shareholders for continued support and interest in company's growth. We know that many stockholders have a great interest in the exciting events for the new horizon for the company. As part of our update, Mr. Team Greene has extremely busy preparing our rollout of a bee water with Walmart in preparation for the rollout. Intense progress yet. For most rewarding journeys for our team, we compare our system staff's operation satisfy of Walmart's vendor requirements. This is going to be a big, and we know the profitability can come to this. It's a bigger step on for Greene Honor to be Mr. Greene's company to be profitable. Well, I'm not gonna go over this article. I know it was released a couple of days ago. So go ahead and check it out because we gotta cover on the technical side. Technical side, why do I see that it's a breakout? So we're gonna shift the gear. We can clearly right now on Friday I'm doing the video. Clearly see that what happened today is we went to 0.0033. I talked about in my previous videos that is a nasty one to break, and we are struggling to break out that. We come into an area where RSI is kind of cooling off, which is okay because the sellers has kind of died down and the bulls have been taking over time and time. You can clearly see that on the 5-day chart. We rose from 0.25, tested many times to 0.0033, getting rejected. But I will look at our 60-day. My blue line, if you're not familiar, this is my 60-day. My pink line is a 200-day. It is very close to be a crossover, which is an indication for another breakout pattern coming up. Whereas on the 1 month, let me fix my chart. You can clearly see that we've been trading above the 0.0028, which is a great sign because it's a great support level. And the resistance, time and time on the 1 month level, we rose to 0.0033, get rejected. So what is holding? Because this moving average is tagging alone. It is below right here, right? Means my 60-day. And it's closing that gap. That gap is closing, folks. That gap is closing, even though the volume picked up. And that all you can see right now for past 2 weeks, it is a bulls taking over right now. So the gap is closing up, which is a clear indication for a breakout. So on the 1 month, you can clearly see that when we had the 60-day over on top, right at 0.025 wins all the way high of 0.0041. My support resistance level sits right over here, and we couldn't break it. So we're gonna change this color to the blue because it hasn't broke it. I gotta fix my chart. Let's go. So we gotta break this beautiful 0.003 and start trading up here. So why did I say that, right? So you can clearly see that this is the range that we've been supporting right here, right? So if I'm gonna draw my technical side, it is gonna be right up here. And what did I mean by my trend line, right? So trend line does not lie. So this is coming to an end of a breakout. Let me fix my chart for you guys. So right up here, you can clearly see that we've been trading into this pattern right here. So it is, you're gonna see this. We've been gonna be trading in between that, but the gap is closing. That triangular gap is very much closing right up here, and that is gonna be our breakout because it's holding this beautiful line, right? That's a beautiful support level that we see that, and it's been holding it for so good right now that we should be excited as a bull. Yeah, you guys should be excited about seeing it how sideways has been trading. When a sideways happens, that is an indication for a breakout pattern to be happening because we rose. Remember that when we rose from 0.81, and I did mention we're gonna have come back and see that gap, and sure enough, we did that. And we rose again, then 0.041, we couldn't break it. So now what's happening is our moving average are tagging along. So right now the pink line on the 3 month is still below, and the blue line is right up here. So that is an indication for another breakout tends to coming, and won't be surprised, we're gonna be seeing very, very soon of 0.0041 right now. And then once, if we don't break that, then is something that we should be kind of keeping eye, because unless a news comes on the profitability of Mr. Greene's company, a Greene concept, then we might see a pullback down. But if we get a good classic information right here, how they're doing the sales on that, you will see a breakout of high of going 0.0045 and then all the way to 0.0051, 50, and that is also for high heavy right now, because I take things as a baby step. I still believe this stock is $1, so that's why I don't even mind holding this stock for 5 years. I have no problem holding this stock for 5 years because there's a lot of revenue to be made. But now how we are settling into this area, it is a beautiful indication that a breakout is coming on, because how the moving average has been holding up and news flow coming constantly about Greene concept. It's an exciting news. This is an year to date. You can clearly see that on year to date. Our moving average, the blue line, is still up, folks. Still up above the pink line, which we always want to see that. Because one time we had the pink line, guess what? We came all the way down because we've been trading below this moving average to time and time. And you can clearly see that was acting as our major resistance level. But now our beautiful blue line we always want to see on top is sitting right over here. And that is a support level at 0.0029. And the pink one is right below it, 0.0028, and that's why we are seeing is a massive support level. But it is a clear breakout pattern is coming. And what do I mean by that? I can kind of have it better drawing for you on this time. It's right up here. You can tag it alone, right up here. So I'm gonna fix the chart for you guys a little bit. Gonna have a better idea right up here. So you can clearly see that this is the pattern that you will be seeing a breakout on that. And I'm excited. I'm really excited and pumped with this company right now, because I was really skeptical, because when we have this pullback, you know, what is the growth level? I know what I was about on the Walmart shelves, right? And what is coming in. But it's the generated revenue that I was concerned about it. But the future, the growth is there, but we need profitability to see that. I'm very much bull on this company, but I keep things real. You know, sometimes my comments that I do on that, people do not like it. Well, folks, this is my job, right? I don't trade on the stocks that I think that is going to go up without doing my due diligence, my fundamentals, and the technical side in terms of that. Because if the company is not profitable, it's not going to go up, and everything is pointing towards that, and which is a great information that I wanted to share with you guys. So, folks, here you go. Let's see. I'm going to leave this chart as it is for you guys for the next video coming up. I really appreciate you guys' support level. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. Let's go. I'm pumped about this company. Have a wonderful weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on the notification. And I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you, and have a wonderful weekend.